Hi, I'm Jack Lombardo. I'm the Senior Site Superintendent here at West Village, located at 427 in Eva Rd here in Etobicoke. And it's a two-phase project right now. There's a 30-story tower and a 27-story tower. The challenges of having a multi-phase project would be the coordination of the trades and especially the scheduling of your materials for both towers at the same time. The best thing working with Tridel would be all the variety of different projects that I've been on and all the young people that I've trained to learn to become superintendents. It takes a great team to accomplish a feat like this, and here at West Village we have a great team.